Namaste. In this video, we'll try to understand the concept of relation. In relation, in general, this is the way in which relation is the way in which two or more people or things are connected. See, family relations are very important. These are shown in a beautiful painting made by my daughter Rishika Kameshwar with a nice quote: family is where life begins and love never ends." Okay, in our real life also, Lakshmana is brother of Rama. If we see two good brothers, we'll say they are like Ram Lakshman. Parvati is wife of Parameshwara, and Panchali is sister of Krishna. Actually, Subhadra is sister of Krishna, but Panchali is well known. Why? Because Krishna saved her from disrespect. Whoever saves a girl or a woman from disrespect, then he can be considered as a god. And Ganesh is the son of Gauri. Even their festival, Gauri Ganesh Abba, is celebrated together. And in mathematics also, we are having some relations like A is equal to B, X is greater than Y, L is parallel to M, E is parallel to, and E is perpendicular to relation is there. And triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF if they are having same shape and size. Set A is subset to set B. This we have learned in sets chapter. Okay, sometimes we use symbols, see, like less than, greater than or equal to, is parallel to. Symbols are there to denote some specific relation. In general, we can use the letter R to denote a relation between two elements. Okay, if A is related to B, we can write A is related to R B, or we can write the order pairs A comma B belongs to R, like that we can write. Suppose some relation is there, is greater than. In that relation, what kind of order pairs are possible, we'll see. 5 is related to R, they have given. Is 5 greater than 3? It is a true statement, no? Therefore, 5 comma 3 belongs to R, you can write. Same relation, is 3 is related to 5, we'll see. 3 greater than 5. This is a false statement. Therefore, we can say that 3 comma 5 does not belongs to. This symbol does not belongs to the relation R. Here R relation is defined as is greater than. Okay, we can give more illustrations, you see. Suppose we can write some relation from A into A itself. 3 elements we have taken, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Cartesian product we have to write first, A cross A. Okay, we have to write all possible order pairs. First set is 1, 2, 3, second set is 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3, 9 order pairs are possible. So all order pairs we wrote. Next, some relation we'll take. R1 is some relation which is having order pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If you observe the first coordinate and second coordinate, there is some relation, see, both are same, no? Then this relation in set form, how we can write? X comma Y. This R1 relation contains all order pairs such that their order pairs are belongs to Cartesian product only, we have to take. And what is the relation? What is the condition? X equal to Y. Both first coordinate and second coordinate are equal. Is equal to relation it is. Here we can discuss more about domain. Here domain of this relation is 1, 2, 3, that is A itself. Even range, the set of all second coordinates will say. Range means here all second coordinates 1, 2, 3 same. It also A only. It might be not same for other relations. We'll go for another relation like 1, 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. If you observe the first coordinate and second coordinate, here first coordinate is smaller than the second coordinate. So X is less than Y, this is relation is. It contains all order pairs X comma Y such that X comma Y belongs to the Cartesian product A cross A and X less than Y. This is the condition, see. We are having order pairs in which first coordinate is less than second coordinate. Okay, here domain we'll see. Domain of R2. All first coordinate you see 1, 1 in this. Here 2 is there. 1 comma 2 is there. Domain consists of 1, 2 only. It is not equal to AC. Next, range you see. Range means all second coordinates. No, here 2 is there, here 3, and third order pair 3 only. 2, 3 only. In sets, we will not write repetition will not be there. No, 2, 3. Here, range is not equal to AC. We will define some other relation. Even we wrote in set form also. Set A consists of all integers from -3 to 3. Set B contains square numbers like 1, 4, 9. R3 relation contains order pairs like -3, 9, -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 1. How the order pairs are related means, see in set form also we wrote x, y such that x, y belongs to A cross B. Okay, it is relation from A to B, not A to A. And how the order pairs, how x is related to y? Here see, x we are having square root of 9 we are having, see. Square root of 9 you think that 3 only. Square root of 9 is -3 also because -3 whole square plus 9 only you will get. Two roots will be there. This is the primitive root and this is the second root. So square root of y is x. Square root of 4 -2. 2 will also be there. Square root of 1 plus 1 and -1. Square root of 0, 0 itself. So we are this relation how we can define is square root of. Here domain contains all integers between -3 and 3 or from -3 to 3 we have to say. And range contains the square number up to 9. Next, one more relation we have defined from A to B. Set A consists 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B consists 3, 6, 7, 10. And R4 relation is defined like this: 2, 6, 2, 10, 3, 3, 3, 6, 5, 10. Here see, what is the relation means? See, relation is defined like this in set form. It contains all order pairs from A cross B and X divides Y. That means X is factor of Y. Okay. If it exactly divides, then only it is factor. No? Here 2 is factor of 6, 2 is factor of 10, 3 is factor of 3, 3 is factor of 6, and 5 is factor of 10. And see, we'll see domain. Domain is 2, 3, 5 only. What is something is missing? See, in domain we do not have 4. See, why we are not having 4 means here 4 is not factor of any of this number 3, 6, 7, 10. That's why we do not have 4. Now we'll check range. Range is same to B codomain. Here range is 3, 6, 10. See, second coordinate. See, here 6 is there. Here 6, 10, 3 are there. But we do not have 7. Why we do not have 7 means we do not have, see, 7 is not divisible by any of this number. Okay, 7 is not multiple of any of this number. That's why it is not in the range. X divides Y means X is factor of Y and Y is multiple of X. No? So 7 is not multiple of any of this number. That's why we do not have 7 in range. Therefore, here codomain and range are not same. In functions, it will help us. Codomain and range and all. If you learn here, it will help in functions.